In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run database in Jupyter. We'll use a lightweight, file-based database called SQLite right inside a Jupyter Notebook, and we'll view the results with pandas. By the end, you'll have a tiny database created, populated, and queried, all from your notebook. Start by opening Jupyter in your browser so you're on the main interface. From the top menu, choose File, hover over New, and click Notebook. Pick a Python kernel if prompted. You'll see your first empty cell, which is where we'll write the code. Begin by importing the libraries we'll need. Type import SQLite 3 on one line and import pandas as PD on the next. Then run the cell. This brings in SQLite, which handles the database, and pandas, which will help us display query results cleanly. Next, create a database connection. In a new cell, type con equals SQLite3.co nnect mydatabase db and run it. If the file doesn't exist, SQLite creates it for you in the current working directory. This connection object is what you'll use to send commands to the database. Now, let's create a table to store some sample records. Run a cell with con, execute, create table students, integer, name text, age integer. This sends a SQL statement to make a students table with 3 columns, an integer ID, a text name, and an integer age. With the table ready, insert a couple of rows. In a new cell, type con, execute insert into students values, 1, John, 20, 2, Mary, 22, con.com, mit. Run it to apply the changes. The commit call permanently saves your inserts to the database file so they're not lost. Finally, read the data back into pandas for a friendly view. In a new cell, type df equals pd. Read SQL SELET times from students, con, df. Run it to execute the query, load the results into a data frame, and display it right in the notebook. You should see the rows you inserted, neatly formatted, ready for analysis or further queries. That's all you need to run a simple database workflow in Jupyter using SQLite and pandas.